Interactive video is a very commonly used content authoring tool by the teachers. To start, log in into your Tabschool teacher account and click on the Content Builder. Click on Create Content. It will take a while to load depending on your internet speed. Then search for interactive video. You can even browse in alphabetical order. You will now see Content Builder options. You make full screen if you wish. Start by adding a title to the content. Now add a video. You can upload a video from your computer or embed third-party videos. If you read the description carefully, it supports MP4, WebM, OGV, and Vimeo and YouTube links. Well, let's embed a YouTube video for now. Once it is done, you can edit behavioral settings. We recommend you watch our tutorial video on behavioral settings. Now let's add interactions. Once you are on the Interactions panel, the builder will take you through a short tour. On the bottom of the player, you will see all the control options such as play, bookmark, closed caption, sound, and many others. Let's drag the player to timecode when we want to add an interaction. In this case, somewhere near 1 minute and 9 seconds. Pause the video. Now on the top, you will see all sorts of interactions. Let's add true, the false question on top of the video. Edit the display time. By default, the display time of any content is 10 seconds. Let's change it to 1 second as we will be pausing the video when this question is displayed. Next, choose how you want to display the question. Let's choose the option of a button. This means that the question will be displayed as a button. Add a label and then the title. Let's add a question. If you like, you can upload image or video using the media option. Type in your question and choose the answer. Once you are done, edit the behavioral settings. Each option in behavioral settings is self-explanatory, but if still want to understand, then watch the tutorial on behavioral settings. Position your question within the canvas as per your wish. Now you will see a small circle on the timeline. It denotes that there is interactivity. Let's add another question, but towards the end of the video. At 3 minutes and 27 seconds, let's add a question, but this time it will be a single choice question. This time, let's display it as a poster. Edit the time and make sure the pause video option is enabled. Then, add the title, and then the question. Next, add options. The first alternative is always a correct answer. So, make sure that you have entered the correct answer in the first field. Add more alternatives. If you wish, you can add more questions by clicking Add Question button. Next, edit the behavioral settings and click Done. Now, position your question on the canvas. You add many interactions on top of any video. For now, let's keep it 2. Let's move to the summary portion of the video. Add an appropriate title and introduction text. Then set of summary statements in which the first one is correct. You can add multiple summary statements. Again, edit behavioral settings as per your wish. Now add title, description and select class, branch, section and subject. Click Create and Send. The content immediately reaches students.